First of all, I'm giving you some time, 5 minutes. You send all the messages, the new meeting ID, what I have sent you just now, in your WhatsApp group and campus care also I have sent. But even them, I think many of them are not knowing. You send the message that new meeting ID to your friends. Send and tell them to join this class. By the way, I have made my WhatsApp status also. But in my WhatsApp status, password I haven't given. In that password, I have written check campus care. Because if I will provide password in WhatsApp status, then anyone can join that class. So if you know your friends, you send the message, send them the new meeting ID, what I have sent you just now, and you have joined this class. Tell them that class is going on. By the way, I have sent the message in campus care and in WhatsApp group. Okay, unmute yourself, Adamya Vaibhav.
Yes, sir.
That was typing error. Earlier message, earlier class meeting ID, what I have sent, that was in that some typing error was there. So new just I have sent,
Yes,
and all of you have joined, but many of them haven't joined. Send them message to your friend, this new meeting ID. Send them message to join this class.
Okay, sir.
All
Okay,
of you
sir.
send your friends message. I already have sent in campus care and WhatsApp group also. Then we will begin. Send your friend message of this class through WhatsApp, or you can phone also. That class is going on with new meeting ID, and that new meeting ID already has been sent in campus care and in the WhatsApp group. Okay, Molly Singh? That was typing mistake. If you know your friends, you can send the message. Okay, Kislay Raj. Kislay Raj, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
If you know your friend first, let them know. I already have sent the message in campus care and WhatsApp group. You also send that class is going on, join this class.
Sir, send it.
Okay. We'll wait 2 or 3 minutes, then we'll begin. Okay. By the time, tell me what was going on, what we have completed, till which chapter we have taken revision, or just tell me.
Sir, chapter 1, all tests are over.
Okay, chapter 1 test is over.
Yes, sir.
Means today we are supposed to begin chapter 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So all of you be ready with copy and pen. Rough copy or HW copy, be ready with copy and pen. All of you be ready with copy and pen. All of you take your copies and pen and keep your video on. No one will keep their video off. Otherwise you will be cheating. All of you are supposed to keep your video on. Yes, all of you keep your video on and take copy and pen. And at the top of the page, at the top of the new fresh page, write your name. First write your name. At the top of the page, write your name. And play your video. Pragati Khitan, Ambika Mittal, Rishabh Bharti, all of you. Those who have not played your video first. Ayush, yes. Otherwise, you will keep your video off and you will be cheating. And that is very, very bad habit. And I don't trust.
Sir, class. Right.
What did you say?
Sir, class also we will write.
Write your name and class. Yes, class and section. At the top of the page, write your class and section also. And keep the book aside. Keep your book aside and be ready with this test. You want me to continue in Hindi or English?
Sir, in English only.
Okay. So all of you have taken pen and copy and all of you have written
Yes.
your name. Okay. So one question will be repeated thrice by me. Okay. One question will be repeated thrice. And you have to listen carefully and you have to write only answer. All of you need to write only answer. Nothing else you need to write. You have to write only answer. And one question will be repeated by me thrice. Means 3 times I will repeat that question. You have to listen carefully and you have to write your answer. By numbering, write answer number 1. First write answer number 1. All of you write first answer number 1. You write answer number 1, then I will say question, then you have to write answer. Okay, I'm going to say question number 1. What protects our heart and lungs? 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 What protects our heart and lungs?
Sir, done.
Okay. Question number 2. Which part of the skull is movable? 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 Okay, question number 3. What is bone marrow? 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 Question number 4. Now you have question number 4. What does a joint do? 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 Question number 4, what does a joint do? Question number 4, what does a joint do? I am repeating one question more than 6 times and 7 times. So don't make your answer wrong, write correct answer with beautiful handwriting and with the time given. And the last question is there. What is the function of cartilage? 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 Now send your answer as soon as possible. Quick. Now send your answer quick. Send me your answer quick. And those who haven't joined this class, if they will send afterwards, then again I'll be checking their copy. But those who are in the class now, almost more than 30 students, they have to send their copies now. All of your copies will be checked. All of your copies will be checked. As time permits me to check right now here, so as much as possible, I'll check here, and rest of the copies I'll check afterwards. But send the photos of that page answer you have written. Don't send so many photos. You send one nice photos. Okay. No one has sent. I have opened WhatsApp. I have kept open WhatsApp, but no one has sent. Islairaj, send.
Sir, sending.
Okay, Mayank Kumar has sent. Okay, let me check then Mayank Kumar copies first. There should be a writing practice. Otherwise, you people are sitting at home and simply all of your writing, Okay, I have received question, one student's copy. Mayank Keshri. What protects our heart and lungs? Rib cage protects our heart and which part of the skull is movable? Upper jaw, correct? And what is bone marrow? The third one is inside of a bone is very soft due to presence of a blood forming substances called bone marrow. In question number 3, I have some doubt. Properly, I think it is not written. What does a joint do? Joints hold the bones together and allow the rigid skeleton to move. Okay. What is the function of cartilage? Cartilage protects the bones from damage by preventing them from rubbing against each other. Okay, all answer is correct. Mayank Keshri has written all answer correct. Very good. Isn't it, Kislay Raj?
Yes, sir.
No, he has become very good student. Very good. I am giving very good. Okay, now Kislay Raj. After Mayank Keshri, Kislay Raj has sent. So those who have sent first, according to that, I will check their copies. So Kislay Raj. Rib cage protects our heart and lungs. Lower jaw is movable. Okay, inside the bone, the soft substance due to due to blood forming is called bone marrow. Okay, but you don't put full stop. See, you put full stop. At the end of the sentence, you have to put full stop. Kisle Raj. You don't remember. A joint holds the bones together and allows the rigid skeleton to move. Here also you haven't put full stop. The cartilage protects the bones from damage by preventing them from rubbing against each other. Okay, by the way, answer is correct. Very good. Answer is correct. I have very good sticker also. I'll be sending very good sticker. I have made sticker, very good sticker. Where is that? This is a very good sticker. You have got. Now let me check someone else. After Kisle, who else? After Kisle Raj, I think Dishambar has. Okay. Let me check Dishambar copy. Then Molly Singh copy will be checked. Dishambar. Rib cage protect our heart, and see, heart spelling is written wrong. Heart spelling is written wrong. Is it wrong or not? Tell me, Kisle Raj. Heart spelling she has written.
Yes, sir.
Heart spelling she has written wrong. Divyan
Yes,
Sharma.
sir.
Yes. Low jaw is movable. Movable spelling is also wrong, and lower spelling is also wrong. A very soft.
And sir,
My God. See the writing and the answer. Each and every answer he has done mistake. It hold the bones together to the melting. All answer is wrong. Dishambar 6C. Dishambar. But what is, I think Dishambar is the brother or sister, I don't know. Divyan Shambar copy is there. Okay, Divyan Shambar. Write the name of Divyan Shambar. First of all, concentrate at your
sir,
study. Concentrate at your study and improve your writing. That's why I have taken a written test. Now let me check Molly Singh copy. Molly Singh has reminded me before 10 minutes about the class because typing error was there. Then I was open that class and I was waiting. But when I saw the time is written at 8:30. Then I closed that class and I have made new meeting ID. Then I have sent. Okay. Name Molly Singh, class 5. Okay. Rib cage. Rib cage protects our heart and lungs. Very good. Question. Answer number 1 is correct. And writing is also good. Lower jaw of the skull is movable. Very good. Inside of a bone is very soft due to the presence of soft substance. You have to write, one word is missing. Due to the presence of blood forming substance is called bone marrow. Joints hold the bone together and allow the rigid skeleton to move. Cartilage protects the bones from damage by preventing them rubbing against each other. Okay. All answer is correct. Very good, Molly Singh. Very good. Now let me check someone else's copy. This boy has not written name. Let me check. Oh, I have not saved. I think this one is new students. What is his name? Rishi Raj. Rishi Raj is written. Okay. Let me add his name in the group. Otherwise, I will forget. Rishi Raj is written. Rishi Raj. Okay. I'm adding his in the group. Rishi Raj. Rishi Raj. Class 5A. Okay, 5A. Okay, I have saved, and I'm adding Rishiraj in the group. Rishiraj, you will get message Rishiraj now. Rishiraj. Okay, I have added him. It's showing me the message adding. Yes, now Rishiraj has been added in 5AC group. So let me check now the answer. Rib cage protects our heart and lungs, upper jaw. Okay, inside of bone, very soft due to presence of a blood forming substance called bone marrow. Joints help the bones together and allow the rigid skeleton to move. Cartilage protects the bones from damage by preventing them from rubbing against each other. Okay, all answer is correct. Okay, answer is correct. But you have to improve your handwriting a little bit. By the way, you also will get very good. Now let me check someone else copy. Then who have sent after him? Akanksha Ayushi is there. I think one of you have to remain unmuted. Why you have muted yourself, Kislay Raj? Okay, Molly Singh, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay, one student has to remain unmuted so that I can check my voice clarity, whether are you listening or not. Now we are going to check Akanksha Ayushi copy. So a rib cage protects our heart and lungs. Okay, upper jaw inside of a bone is very soft due to the presence of blood forming substance is called bone marrow. Okay, joint hold the bones together and allows the rigid skeleton to move. Cartilage protects the bones from damage by preventing them from rubbing against each other. Did you say something, Molly?
Yes, sir. Which part of the skull is movable? Answer is lower jaw.
Oh yeah, she has written upper jaw. Yes, lower jaw is movable. One answer is wrong. Movable jaw is a lower jaw. Okay, those who have written upper jaw in flow, I have checked. As you can feel also, this is the lower jaw. I am showing you in my picture. You can see this lower jaw. This part we can move, but upper jaw we cannot move. Okay. So one answer is wrong only. Question number 2 means answer number 2. All of you correct your answer. Lower jaw. You have to write lower jaw. Everyone. Answer 2 is lower jaw. Okay. Then let me check. Kislay Raj, what you have written? Call was coming, so it's automatically muted. Okay, now you can unmute yourself. Unmute Kislay Raj.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me check someone else copy. Now we have Ayush Kumar copy. Ayush Kumar. What protects our heart and lungs? The rib cage protect our heart and lungs. Why you have written question? The lower jaw is movable. Okay. Inside a bone, to soft substance. Inside a bone, too soft. No. Question number 3. You have done grammatical mistake. First of all, you have started. You have begun the sentence with a small letter. Answer may be correct, but grammatical mistake is there. And photo you have taken from far. That's why it's showing a very small. So write again and send. Write again and send. And now let me check. Now let me check that Adya Shakti. Adya Shakti. This is short question answer. That's why all of them are writing correct. But from in next class, I will take care of the long question answer. So for next class, all of you have to be ready with long question.
Sir, three number.
One day I will conduct then oral test also. Okay, I will be asking and you have to reply.
Sir, please see the third number.
Okay, let me check third number. Bone marrow is soft part under the bone and bone marrow produce red blood cells. No, third number is not properly written. Joint hold the bones together and allow the prejudice. Cartilage protects the bones from damage by preventing. Question answer number 3 not written properly. Answer 3 is not written properly. We have got disconnected. Now all of you are listening. Raj.
Yes, sir. Now we can listen you.
Now someone called me. That's why we got disturbed. I so many times have told parents and children that while taking class, if you will call me, so line will be disconnected. That's why it happens. But no one calls me, but sometimes someone calls. But no problem. Let us check. This copy belongs to Adya Shakti. Rib cage protect our heart and lungs. Okay, the lower jaw is the correct. Okay, bone marrow is soft part under the bone and bone marrow produce red blood cells. Is it the answer of answer number 3? Red blood cells. Yes, this one is wrong. Joint hold the bones. Cut joints hold the bones together and allow the rigid skeleton to move. Cartilage protects the bones from damage by preventing. Okay, all are correct except answer number 3. Answer number 3 is wrong. Answer number 3 is not written properly.
No, Chris Kumar to be.
Okay. So now listen. So I conduct written test and oral test just because of why? Because so many of you don't have the writing practice at home. That's why I want you to write and send me your answers whenever I conduct the written test. But maybe in the next class, I will be asking of this short question and answer only oral test. Okay, of this short question and answer, I will conduct oral test. Then we'll continue with our long question and answer. So oral and written, both will be conducted until and unless quarterly exams come. Okay, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
So all of you have to must have writing practice. All of you have to learn also question and answer. In the next class, I will be asking oral. Okay, I'll be taking oral test. I'll be asking question and you have to reply. A short question and answer. By the way, all of you have written short question and answer, but I want you to say also. Okay. And this time typing error has happened. That class 3AB schedule has been sent. If any of you see that kind of message, so remind me too much earlier, as much as possible. The time when you see the message, whenever you see, so anyone can message me. By the way, this is first time has happened. This is first time has happened, isn't it? Akanksha, Ayushi, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
So first time it has happened that class 3AB schedule has been sent, and I have kept open class 5AC and waiting for students. So first time it has happened. So 74 students have seen that messages, but no one has messaged me that, sir, you have made 3AB in place of 5AC. Only Molly Singh has sent me message, but no one sent me. So whenever you see that kind of message, you can message me. By the way, it will not happen. Sometimes it happens. And those who haven't joined this class now, by the way, more than 30 or 40 students are there. But those who will write their answer afterwards, their copy will be checked. Whenever I will get time, I'll be checking in WhatsApp, and all of them will get message. So each and everybody's copy will be checked. But all of you have to write your answer and you have to send me. And many of them copies have been already checked, and those who are left, their copy will be checked. In the next class, there will be oral test. Understood, everyone? There will be oral test. Okay, Akanksha?
Okay, sir.
So in the oral test, I can ask short question and answer and all those things. Means choose the correct option. Means objective type questions. Number A, it is given at page number 32. Then fill in the blanks also I can ask. Then give one word for the following. That also can be asked. And true, false, and short question and answer. So in the next class, A, B, C, D, E, page number 32 and page number 33. Then long question and answer. Sorry, long question and answer will be asked in the next class, either written or else oral. But you all of you have to be ready. Okay, any problem?
No, sir.
So now those who have to ask something, they can raise their hand. Okay, Dharya Singh, tell me what has happened. Dharya Singh. Dharya, unmute yourself. He has raised her hand, but he is not. Why you have raised your hand? You need to ask. I think he is facing network problem. So you can message me. No problem. You can message. Anyone else? Those who have to ask something? Anyone else? I think Dharya Singh is facing network problem. Anyone else? Anyone else? Those who have to ask something?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So all of them have sent their copy. Those who have sent their copy will be checked. And in next class, there will be oral test of question A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, means fill in the blanks, true, false, short question and answer. I can ask anything. So all of you have to be ready. Will you prepare? Will you prepare, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to unmute each and everyone for saying bye. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank
Bye,
you, sir.
everyone.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, sir.
Pragati Khitan, what has happened? You are thinking? You have put your hands on your cheeks. Okay, keep studying, everyone. Keep studying. Best of luck. He's playing outside. My nephew is playing outside now. I have sent him outside. Okay, bye everyone. Then bye.